Most executive LinkedIn activity fails for one simple reason. It's focused on achieving visibility rather than being laser focused on achieving real business outcomes. Look, if you want a LinkedIn strategy for executives that actually works, you have to stop chasing vanity likes from old colleagues and start building real authority with buyers. In B2B and professional services, prospects aren't making impulse buys. They are checking your credibility, and LinkedIn is the very first place they go to see if you're worth having a meeting with. So how do we fix this? Here are 3 critical shifts to turn your efforts into revenue. First, stop sounding too polished. Corporate language strips out conviction, and conviction is what makes you worth following. You need to sound like a real person, not a marketing department. Second, tie your posts to the buying journey. If your sales team keeps hearing the exact same objection or prospects underestimate the cost of inaction, that is your best source of content. Finally, ignore the content gurus. You don't need to post every single day. For senior leaders, 2 to 3 high-value posts a week is more than enough to build familiarity, reduce friction, and drastically shorten the trust cycle. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. To get our full step-by-step strategy, repeatable content pillars, and implementation frameworks, click the link right down in the description to read our full breakdown on Social-Hire. Let's make your LinkedIn presence work for your business.